I don't want to eat the pear. Can I eat the calamay?
No, just eat them.
Why?
Eat them healthy
Hey,
food.
this is yummy.
I thank you.
No,
I'll eat calamay, okay?
no, just eat healthy that.
How about daddy? I'm eating this. Is this healthy?
Yes.
Oh, you teach mommy to.
Mommy, not healthy.
Why? So,
Mommy, give me that. Give me that.
what's that? What's that?
Calamay, give me that. Give me the calamay. I'll put it there.
Yeah, very good. Oh, what should mommy eat?
What should I eat?
What should
You
mommy
need
eat?
to eat fair.
Pear?
Yes, come eat them.
Is that healthy?
Yes.
How about who's eating healthy, mommy or daddy?
Mommy and Daddy and Lola.
But I
Ah.
want to eat the calamay. But I
Give me
want to
that.
eat...
I'll put it there.
Sayang. Sayang yung calamay.
Not eating.
Eat healthy?
Yes.
Um,